This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by locating the supplied 3.5 mm audio cable and the port on the left ear cup. Insert the cable fully until it clicks. Use the adapter or USB-C cable when your laptop or phone has no 3.5 mm jack, and confirm the connection is secure before playing audio. Remember that active features including noise canceling and any onboard processing require battery power, so charge the headphones if you want ANC or adaptive sound while using a wired connection. With the headphones connected, enable noise canceling only if the battery is charged so adaptive ANC and ambient sound modes function correctly. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app to fine-tune the equalizer presets. Raise bass by a few decibels for warmer sound, reduce treble for less harshness, and save custom presets. For the cleanest wired audio, play high-resolution files or route through a dedicated DAC or audio interface, and avoid low-bit Bluetooth transcodes when fidelity matters most. If audio plays from only one side, verify the 3.5 mm plug is fully seated and inspect the cable for damage. Swap cables to isolate the fault. For voice calls, use a cable that includes an inline microphone, or use your phone or computer mic if the supplied cable lacks a mic. Regularly update the headphone firmware through the Sony Headphones Connect app to resolve compatibility issues and improve performance. And remember to test volume levels on both the device and the headphones to avoid clipping or mute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.